and welcome to Law Seekho. Let's talk about the top 10 news developments for the day under 2 minutes for judiciary aspirants. Let's start with the national news first. So India and St. Christopher and Nevis, which is a country in the Caribbean Sea, they've signed an MOU, a Memorandum of Understanding in the field of sports. Now this agreement was formalized by Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, who's the Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports, and also Dr. Daniel Douglas, who is the Minister for Foreign Affairs for the Caribbean Sea nation. Now please understand this MOU, it outlines several areas of collaboration and cooperation which is aimed at improving the sports infrastructure, management and training between the two nations. Purandar Highlands Farmer Producer Company Limited, it has achieved a significant milestone, and that is by exporting India's first GI tagged fig juice to Poland. Now please note, this follows successful export of India's first commercial consignment of GI tagged Purandar figs to Hong Kong, which happened last year in February. Now the Government of India and World Bank, they've recently signed a $500 million agreement, and this is to construct the Green National Highway Corridor project. Now this project spans 780 kilometers across a couple of states including Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, UP and Andhra Pradesh. Now this is scheduled for completion by May of 2026. Next, the Department of Financial Services, Government of India, it has appointed Challas Srinivasulu Sethi as the chairperson of the State Bank of India for 3 years tenure, effective from 28th of August this year. Government has operationalized 4 major projects under the Namami Ganga Mission 2.0 in Bihar and UP during the first quarters of financial year 2024 and 2025. The Indo-Tibetan Border Police, it has successfully conducted a demonstration and trial of the formidable Typhoon vehicle at its transport battalion in Chandigarh. Now let's cover the top international news developments for the day. First, we have an update with respect to a collaboration between Australia and India. So the Australian government, it has announced recipient of the Maitri Research and Cultural Partnership grants. Please understand, these grants administered by the Centre for Australia-India Relations, it seek to deepen bilateral links and explore opportunities across various sectors, for example, agri-business, critical technology, energy transition and advanced manufacturing. And lastly, the US Department of Justice's nearly year-long case against Google over its dominance in the search engine market, it has now finally reached an end. So a US judge has ruled that Google's massive payment to various tech companies in exchange for favoring its search engine, it constitutes an illegal monopoly. The company, it was determined to have exploited its market dominance to gain an unfair advantage over the competition, the judge ruled. So that's all we have for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until we meet again.